Well, I'm that kid that like had models, and like the models you do all this care and attention, and then I never really waited till the paint was dry, and I just was impatient. So the new TTI headers just showed up, and I'm gonna bolt them on just for fun because like it's beer o'clock, so why not? I think have some fun. Oh, other side, and just because they're cool. It's funny, all this beautiful ceramic. These have been sitting in a guy's garage for years, and I mean the ceramic I don't really care about because it's all getting blasted and whatnot, and it's going to be all Cerakoted. So if they get scratched, that's fine. I think it's just as cool. And I'm a kid at heart. Yeah, I think that's awesome. Oh, that's fun. Uh-oh. We call this being ill-prepared. Come on, you start. Oh, wait, there we go. One. There we go. Now it started. That is that's something else. It's good and tight. That'll stay. I gotta find a nut. Maybe. Nope. Oh, whatever. This one has two, so just impatient little kid. That's all. We're all kids at heart. Of course, this whole engine's gonna get stripped down and repainted to match the rest of the car, which is not staying black, by the way. TTI headers fit the absolute best on old Mopars. They're not cheap, but boy, they are amazing. Watch, I was just thinking in my head, watch this one, it won't fit on the cylinder head after I just say that. That would be funny. There. That's better than them sitting on the floor, I think. Nicer to look at, too. Those are cool. So on top, this is still staying a 6-pack, but it is getting a FiTech EFI setup. So it's, if you look at some of my other videos, I kind of go through them a little bit. They're a beautiful setup. But yeah, this is all getting stripped down. I got to disassemble and go through the engine. It should be fine, but I just want to make sure. So yeah.